Hello friends, today I will introduce you how gold recovery from IC chips. These IC chip samples are industrial waste. I have shown an example of removing the IC chip from the electronic circuit board. I collected the IC chip from various electronic circuits 1 kilogram. Today I will recover all gold from IC chip. I use 2 liters of sulfuric acid boiled with 1 kilogram of IC chip use at a temperature of 80 to 90 Celsius. Wear the protective clothing could include gloves, protective eyewear, a mask, a long-sleeved shirt and long pants. Take precautions to avoid exposure by the principal routes, that is, contact with skin and eyes, inhalation, and ingestion. If some gold wires will go with black acid, then you can recover them from second pot after pouring. Wash carefully IC chips with water 3 times. I use nitric acid mixed with water, ratio 1:1. Get rid of the remaining metal. You will receive a gold wire along with a piece of fiber. I use Aqua Regia gold extraction for gold wire along with a piece of fiber. Use nitric acid and hydrochloric acid mix 1:3 ratio. Use sodium metabisulfite precipitate gold out of a aqua regia solution. You will get gold sludge powder. Then clean the gold sediment, dried and melted into cubes. Sprinkle a little borax powder. I received 2.3 grams of gold from Microchips 1 kilogram raw materials, extracted from various circuit boards. I hope you like our videos. Please apply for membership and share our videos to cheer. Thank you very much.